In a press conference held at Umpling BSF headquarters Shillong, the Inspector General BSF Meghalaya Frontier Hardeep Singh said that they have no knowledge about the presence of militant outfit belonging to Hnlc National Liberation Council operating from Bangladesh. Speaking to the media at the Umpling headquarters in Shillong, the IGBSF Meghalaya Frontier Hardeep Singh said, as per inputs received by the border guards, there are no militant camps belonging to the northeast that are operating from Bangladesh. When asked about the recent killing of Meghalaya citizen by the border guard of Bangladesh and the killing of a Bangladeshi national by the BSF at the international border, Singh said that the BSF has no role in the killing of a Bangladeshi national, and on the contrary, the BSF has lodged a complaint with the Bangladesh counterparts about the killing of an Indian citizen.
Inside Bangladesh, so we have no role to play in this. One Indian national was killed as claimed by BJP that he was inside Bangladesh. So we have launched a strong protest with the BJP of the killing of the Indian national by Bangladesh BJP. So I am hoping that we will keep the borders peaceful, and such incidents, we will control such incidents so that they should not take place. But we are still further investigating the matter that how this Indian national was killed and crossed the line.